Welcome back to our farm to table adventures. Karon we're taking you to a journey up this bakilid nga bukid kay manguha ta og kalibre. Kay tuwa sa ubos naghuwat agahang mga igagaw kay magluto mi og landang. So, join us as we take on this exciting and challenging journey. Joining me today are Kuya Roy, my husband, and our little adventurer. It's going to be a challenging but rewarding day. Amo pagsaka diri kay di gajud joke, grabe ka hangak. Pero kung gusto ka maglandang, kinahanglan gajud ning buhaton. Here it is, kalibre. It takes a bit of effort, but it's always exciting to find the best one. While nanguha mig kalibre, gahang bana is mukatkat sa kuno si Just sa lubi kay na ay butong. So, manijang skill nga na master. Murag si Tarzan. Chares. After all the effort, it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Fresh butong is the perfect way to refresh and relax. Char. Giuhaw ra gajud ka. Haha. Inom na. Kaan ka?
Lugsong nami guys.
This is what farm to table is all about. Enjoying nature's bounty with your loved ones.
Uy, wati ko ninjo.
Mao na, kay alig-aligon, nangurog nagtuhod. Kung makig-exchange pa lang ning kalibre og massage service, diretso tapas paan ni. Tuara, grabing tingog sa mga gangis. Thank you for joining us in this adventure. Don't forget to like and share. For more farm-to-table stories, atangi atong paghimo sa landang. Until next time, daghang salamat! Finally.